As you can see, we have a 3-inch pipe and a 5-inch pipe. The intake air is brought in through the 5-inch pipe, which is then goes into the combustion chamber and is burnt, and the exhaust gas is then released out the 3-inch pipe. Now that the stove is installed inside the house and pushed up against the wall, if you have more than 2 inches hanging on the outside of your wall, you may cut it off with a hacksaw. We will now put on our vent cap. The 3-inch must go inside of the 3-inch ring here. As you can see, there is a screw to tighten. Now we will install the intake screen and the vent cap. After putting the cap on, you want to locate the top of the hole, putting your screw back in. You can use a punch on the bottom to center up the hole, and then put your screw in. After that is done, you then want to go in the side with your Phillips screwdriver and tighten up the 3-inch clamp. You are now finished installing the vent kit.